So I'm a little upset. I filmed and edited and did the voiceover for this whole video, and I did not save the video, so I have to do this over again. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I style this HerGivenHair Upart wig into some mini twists. The hair is really thick, it's really full, and it just gets really big, so I was gonna do this to make it more wearable. So I start off with the Nexus Moisture Therapy shampoo, and then the Matrix Biolage Conditioning Balm from Generic, because they are super affordable and they work really well. This is what I'll be using to detangle and kind of, help me style the hair. And some clips, you're gonna need those, a couple more than two, but you get the idea. And some oil. This is just some Shine and Refresh oil from LA Naturals. And then as my styler, I'll be using Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. So the first thing I'm doing right here is I am separating out the perimeter that is going to be closest to my natural hair. I'm doing this so I can twist my natural hair into the wig and kind of cover up the line of demarcation so you can't tell I have a wig on. Now we're just going to clip this hair out of the way, and then we're going to section this wig into 4 sections so we have easier, like, manageable sections to work in, so we're not overwhelmed by all of the hair on this wig.
It's better than the fucking game people play. It really is. That shit's fake. This is authentic. But I guess people like fake shit. Fake ass people.
First of all, dance people play some real shit too.
No,
niggas cheat every
not.
day, and you know what? Sometimes you gotta fuck a bitch up. So that's real. So now that we have our section ready, I'm going to go in with some water and conditioner mix so that I can kind of get the hair a little damp so that it's easier to detangle. Detangling is very important for this style because you want your twist to be nice and smooth and shiny and stuff. So you got to make sure there's no tangles and the hair is really, really smooth. So after I finish detangling the hair, I'm just going to decide how large I want the sections that I'm going to twist to be. And for this particular wig, I just did around 3 wefts. I don't know how to explain it, but the little lines where you see the hair is attached, I just chose 3 of those, and I just said that's big enough. So now I'm just going to run some oil into the hair so that I can seal in the moisture from the water and conditioner mix, because you don't want your hair to get dry while in this style. You got to treat it like it's your hair. And then we're going to put some Cantu Shea Butter in there. And then we are ready to twist this bad boy up. But first of all, look at the curls. They're so pretty. I just wish the curls would stay like that because this hair gets huge, y'all. Like really, really big and really frizzy. But the hair is gorgeous. So now I am done installing all of the twists. They are so juicy. I'm going to be using this Royal Treatment Pearl and Truffle hairspray on this hair because it smells really good. That's really the only reason I'm doing it. It adds a little hold, but I just did because it smells so good. And now we just gotta let it dry. These twists are so gorgeous, like they're just so pretty. I just felt so satisfied with how these came out. I'm in love. Like, alright guys, I am back with my hair washed and deep conditioned. I washed it with the Diva Curl Build Up Buster. Yeah, is there enough light here? I hope it is, because we're not getting any more light. So yeah. And I deep conditioned with the Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair Seaweed Strengthening Mask. So this is like a light protein treatment. Makes your hair feel really good. So now I'm going to be getting my hair ready to install this Upart wig, and this is probably the second most tedious part of it. So now I'm just going in and separating out the part of my hair that I need to leave out to twist into the wig, and then I'm just gonna cornrow the rest of my hair. This is the part that makes it so you can't tell that I'm wearing a wig. So now that I have my little leave out sectioned out, I'm about to twist it up and clip it out the way so that I can go ahead and cornrow the back of my head, and I will be back once that is done. So now my hair is cornrowed, and I'm just kind of like trying to figure out how I'm going to situate my braids underneath this wig. So I'm trying to pin it up and like see if that will hold the braids where they need to be so that I can put my wig on my head and have everything tucked away and protected. I will be honest, this part was a little tricky, and it took some real finesse to like get my hair on my head. I was not enthused with this part of the process. I literally thought it was gonna be like 1, 2, slap it on and be done. This was like, no, you have to work with it a little bit. But all in all, it wasn't too hard once I figured out what was going on and where all the clips were and my leave out situation. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. So now I will be getting ready to twist my leave out into the wig, and I will be back, guys, when my hair is completely twisted up. For my styler, I can't remember what I used. Basically just took the front pieces that was in the front and put it in a little ponytail here in the back to kind of cover up the little line of demarcation in my U part, because you know we want everything to be seamless and flawless. This hairstyle, I need to stop smacking. Like, someone just needs to comment every video how many times I smack my lips. So Dang it. Even when I try not to. So this is basically a style that I will be wearing when I need a break from my lace fronts, and they got to be glued and the wig glue and all that, because you know you need your edges. So every once in a while I will be taking a break from them, and this is definitely a low maintenance style. Now it took me forever to get this done, but now that it's done, it's very low maintenance. I probably will not be redoing this, but like every once in like 2 weeks or something, if I'm wearing this hairstyle and I'm not wearing my wigs. But this is the final look. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.